Today, we're delving into a topic that every real estate investor wants to master: elevating property value. Join us as we explore how Alpine enhances real estate assets and streamlines investment portfolios for success. Your investment properties are more than just buildings, they are valuable assets with untapped potential. At Alpine Property Management, we believe in unlocking that potential and maximizing the value of your real estate portfolio. Strategic planning is at the heart of our property management services. Alpine's expert team conducts in-depth market analysis to identify opportunities for value enhancement. By understanding market trends, we ensure your investments remain competitive and profitable. A well-maintained and attractive property attracts quality tenants and demands higher rental rates. Alpine Property Management focuses on curating optimal rental experiences for tenants, which translates to increased property value and greater return on investment. Prompt maintenance and repairs are crucial for preserving your property's value. Alpine's skilled maintenance team ensures that your properties are well maintained, addressing issues before they escalate. This efficiency helps retain tenants and safeguard your investment. First impressions matter, and curb appeal plays a significant role in attracting potential tenants and buyers. Alpine Property Management understands the value of a well-maintained exterior and works to enhance your property's curb appeal, contributing to its overall value. Alpine stays ahead of the curve by leveraging advanced property management technology. From efficient tenant screening processes to streamlined rent collection systems, technology plays a key role in optimizing your investment portfolio. Do you have a property you need to get rid of? At Alpine Property Management, we offer a We Buy Houses program. Whether it's a single property or a portfolio of properties, we are interested in buying properties in as is condition. Let us take the burden off your shoulders and provide a hassle-free selling experience. Alpine Property Management takes a holistic approach to real estate investing. We focus on every aspect of property management, from tenant satisfaction to asset protection, ensuring your investment is well cared for and positioned for growth. Communication is the foundation of a successful partnership. Alpine Property Management is committed to transparency and regular updates, so you stay informed about your investment's performance and any potential opportunities for enhancement. Your investment success is our top priority. Alpine Property Management is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals through efficient property management and strategic value enhancement. Let's work together to maximize the value of your real estate assets. Contact Alpine Property Management today, and let's embark on a successful investment journey together. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your investment portfolio. Subscribe now, and let Alpine Property Management guide you to real estate success. Invest with confidence. Invest with Alpine Property Management. Elevate your investment journey today. Preserving the value of your investment is of paramount importance, and Alpine Property Management is dedicated to safeguarding your assets. We implement proactive measures to prevent potential risks, such as thorough tenant screening, regular property inspections, and compliance with local regulations. Setting the right rental prices is crucial for maximizing your property's income potential. Alpine Property Management conducts comprehensive market analysis to determine the optimal rental rates, ensuring you earn the highest possible returns on your investment. The real estate market is dynamic and ever-changing. With Alpine Property Management on your side, you can adapt to these market trends and make informed decisions to stay ahead of the competition. Retaining quality tenants is key to a successful investment. Alpine Property Management prioritizes tenant satisfaction, fostering long-term relationships that result in reduced turnover and increased stability for your investment properties. Transparent financial reporting is essential for monitoring the performance of your investment portfolio. Alpine Property Management provides detailed accounting and financial reports, giving you full visibility into the financial health of your properties. As your partner in real estate success, Alpine Property Management is committed to providing top-notch services that go beyond traditional property management. Our goal is to help you achieve financial freedom through strategic investment and efficient management. Are you facing a challenging investment situation? Whether you have a property that needs significant improvements, an underperforming asset, or an urgent need to sell, we can help. Alpine Property Management buys houses and portfolios of properties, allowing you to offload assets that no longer align with your investment strategy. At Alpine Property Management, we understand that navigating the complexities of real estate investing can be overwhelming. That's why our team of experts is always ready to provide guidance and support. We have a deep understanding of the local market and can offer valuable insights to help you make informed investment decisions. With years of experience in the real estate industry, Alpine Property Management has built a legacy of success. Our track record speaks for itself, and we are dedicated to upholding our reputation as a trusted and reliable property management partner. As technology and trends in real estate continue to evolve, Alpine Property Management is at the forefront of innovation. We embrace cutting-edge technology and modern practices to provide you with the best possible property management experience. Investing in real estate with Alpine Property Management means investing with confidence. Our comprehensive services, industry expertise, and commitment to excellence ensure that your investment is in capable hands. Thank you for joining us on this journey to elevate your real estate investments with Alpine Property Management. We hope you found valuable insights to enhance the value of your investment portfolio. If you're ready to take your real estate investments to the next level, contact Alpine Property Management today. Let's work together to achieve your financial goals and build a prosperous future. Don't miss out on expert property management services that elevate your investments. Subscribe now to our channel and stay updated on the latest strategies and trends in real estate investing. Invest with Alpine Property Management and experience the difference in property value and efficiency. Elevate your investment journey with us. We look forward to being your partner in success.